Okay, so we're back, and there was no C-clip, but it was one of the, there's an indent on the left-hand side that we have to line the core up with to be able to take it out. We just line it up there, see? Push it in, and then we're going to turn it back so our plug follower, which I had to get my homemade one, a little wooden dowling, and I'll push it right out of here. Alright, take a look at our key pins here. Okay, pin number 6, standard, very pointy. Number 5, or pin number 4, standard, 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 and standard. Big surprise. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. A little tricky, guys. Tricksters. And we have, a standard. Very shiny. And a standard. I thought for sure this was going to have some spool pins in it. It didn't feel like it though when I was picking it, but for the price of it. Standard. So the only thing that really made this one hard is the keyway, which pissed me off. Standard. And obviously no shit. Here it is. Standard. And if you want to see them, regular 5 springs. Well, thank you for watching. Much more videos to come. Thanks for staying with me. Bye.